To add a tax in Squarespace, start by logging in to your account on squarespace.com. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your email and password to access your account dashboard. From there, select the website for which you want to add a tax, and then navigate to the Settings icon. Click on Settings, and then select Selling from the list of options, which includes website, domain, email, selling, brand, marketing, third-party tools, permissions and ownership, billing, and developer tools. Within the Selling section, you'll find various options, including business information, payment, customer accounts, low stock alerts, card, checkout, taxes, shipping, pickup, local delivery, waitlists, and product reviews. Click on Taxes to access the tax settings. Here, you can choose to add or rate taxes manually, including adding taxes at checkout, or you can select the Including Price option. To set up taxes, simply select the country where you want to collect taxes, and then follow the prompts to complete the setup process. Once you've completed these steps, you'll have successfully added a tax in Squarespace.